The place where you get all your wine.
Greetings, recruits. Welcome to my home. I am Gru, master villain, scourge of humanity. So, you want to be a minion. Your training will begin soon, but be warned. Please, dangerous science experiments. And sometimes you'll have to risk your lives facing down ferocious enemies. Well, that is not the best example. Moving on. As part of your assignment, you may need to go deep undercover. Visit exotic locations and be equipped with the latest super-villain tools of the trade. We'll also teach you new languages, like this guy. He's speaking in the international language of farts. You'll learn useful survival techniques, like don't sleep in the snow. You'll be my official food tester to ensure that what I eat isn't too spicy or too poison. You will be a part of history. Welcome to the family. So, do what I say, heed my words, or pay the price.
And have fun.
It's gonna be great.
Come on, smile, Gru.
I hate smiling. You're all here because you want to work for me. I usually take this time to interview new recruits one at a time, but I'm working on something really big today, so I'm going to have to do this kind of quick. Hello, I'm Gru. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question. And thank you. Anywho, one moment. This is good. But tell the Fario, add more dynamite. I want a bigger boom. You didn't hear that. Anyway, yes, you will be turned into minions. Months ago, my chief scientist, Dr. Nefario, created a device that could turn everyday boring civilians like you into minions. At first, there were a few minor snags. And a few major snags. Although I kind of like that guy. And that guy. Oh, I love that guy. That guy really knows how to party. Don't worry, we have finally worked out all of the kinks, as far as you know. And now, you too can become a minion. Wow, look at that! I know, right? It's pretty spectacular. Alright. One second. This one. Okay, before we begin your training, we need to do a routine body scan. Can't have you bringing any human germs into the lab. It's nothing serious, just some high-density lasers. They're very, very powerful. It will not hurt me a bit. Uh-oh, we have a problem. It appears that some of you have not showered in like a week. Gross! Not naming names, but it's those guys. Lucky for you, I'm in a bit of a time crunch, but feeling good. But you better shower when you get back to your hotel. And don't go right to the pool. As for the rest of you, if anyone's thinking of backing out, I warn you, I will hit you with my fart gun! Oh yes, I'm packing pistol de chaos! Whether it be minions or farts!
Minions or farts?
Ignore them! Not now!
Don't be scared, Gru. He's just a big, bald teddy bear.
Yeah, and no way will he shoot you with a fart gun.
Oh, no?
Hey, it smells like banana.
Oh, come on!
Crew, I was wondering if I could give you something.
Oh, sure, sweetie, but can it wait? I'm really behind schedule, and I have to train these guys.
Oh, can we help?
What?
Yeah, we can train them. Come on.
Let me know. I do not think so.
Please.
No, it's very technical.
Come on. We've seen you do it hundreds of times.
Yeah, it's not like it's rocket science or even fourth grade science.
Yeah, a trained monkey could do it.
Alright. Okay, future minions, the girls are going to handle your training.
Oh, yeah. You people are so doomed.
Oh, don't listen to her. Although, she's usually right. Good luck, everyone.
But, girl, wait. He's gone, Agnes. It's the anniversary of the day he adopted us. Do you think he forgot?
Of course not. It'll be okay, Agnes. Come on. We have a job to do.
Let's do this!
Okay, everybody. See you in the lab.
This is gonna be good.
Stay in your row and quickly move down to the last seat. Each pod seats 4 guests per row.
Let's go, people! I am ready.
Move all the way down to the last seat in the row and sit down in the transformation pod.
Das wäre wieder
Don't
ganz
be afraid.
I don't know. They should be kind of afraid. Either. Hey, you're in a top secret villain's lair. Things happen.
If you don't want to move around during the training, please see a lab assistant about the stationary seats located at the front of the lab. These are also known as benches.
It says here, don't take photos.